Welcome to this YouTube channel here. My name is Simon Peter Tema and ICT Expertise, a student of Gulu University. Please, members, this is a high time opportunity for you. In this channel here, we shall learn the use of software application that most of the people still lack the knowledge. How to use it, they still don't know the importance or they cannot exploit it to the apex. Please, this channel here will provide you with well-equipped knowledge on how to go by. Please, before we continue, subscribe and you watch. I still repeat, please subscribe and you watch. Members, according to the World Research of 2024, this year of ours here that we are in, the research came out with in the total world populations of 7 billion people worldwide, 60% of which, if you convert, is 4.7 billions. They uses what is called internet access services. This means that you are not in the wrong place, because if you are to compare the number of people that uses internet, it is 4.7 billions. Subtract it from 7 billions. It means that we are only few people who does not still have access to the internet, which means that in the years to come, all the total world population will be subjected to the use of ICT, of which it will become of more mandatory than a choice. So you are not in the wrong place. Please, I ask you that let's learn this thing and it help us in how to cope up in lives, on how to exploit the knowledge we have. Please, before we continue, I should repeat, subscribe as we continue and we learn as a team. The research also came again and show us that the use of internet access services is of more in the European continent and North America. It is of low used in the area of Africa and some part of Asia. It means that we are still stepping backward. Please, let's join as a team and we push the entire country and we push the entire continent of ours ahead. This brings us in a context of saying that life is of more computer or internet access than any other thing. In this YouTube channel here, we shall learn of some of the software applications like Gmail, how to create an account on Gmail, the use of Gmail, of which most of the people still lack the knowledge. We shall learn something on YouTube, the importance, who launched it. We shall go deep into detail. When was it launched and how it used? For you, I know that some of you might be having a little knowledge, but in this YouTube channel here, we shall see deeply. We shall see the way how you can use the YouTube, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Contact, more than the knowledge that you have. So please, I shall repeat, before we continue further, please, I ask you, subscribe, and we go on, and we learn as a theme. Subscribe, and we go on as a theme. Now, people agree with me. In various fields, you cannot go alone without any little knowledge of ICT. Agree with me or not? Life has become more easier with the computer applications than a human physical effort, whereby you can just send request, received, buy things, can be delivered to you, you can hold meetings, you can do whatever things you want through the internet access services than a physical involvement in today's world. So members, don't be left out. Don't be left out, I say repeat. It's a very crucial topics in this YouTube channel here. So please, Do not be left out. Subscribe and we learn as a team. This is just introductions. More is still coming. Follow Simon Peter Tema and SC Expertise, a student of Gulu University. Thank you so much. Subscribe and you watch more.